In this video, I'll show you how to unlock the potential of GPT-4 to do anything, from automating mundane tasks to creating actual working video games. Now, if you haven't heard of GPT-4, it's the latest breakthrough in generative artificial intelligence from OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, and it promises to revolutionize the way we use AI. I've got some really cool use cases for you in this video, and there's going to be a common theme between them that I want you to look out for that's really powerful. And I'll let you know what it is a little bit later, so keep an eye out for it, and if you can figure out what it is, let me know in the comments down below. Anyways, let's just jump right into it and I'll show you what you can do with GPT-4. Now, we've all been there before. You need to draft a really important email or proposal and you need it to be absolutely perfect. Or you're trying to understand a technical proposal that you need to give an executive report back to your boss that hits all the key points and doesn't leave anything out. Well, GPT-4 can do that. By leveraging its advanced language understanding capabilities, GPT-4 can analyze your text, suggest improvements, and even generate an executive summary that hits all of the key points. No more going through massive documents and wasting your time trying to find all of the important little details. This will not only save you time, but it will also make sure that your content is concise, clear, and persuasive. Now, GPT-4's ability to reason is so much more advanced than the previous ChatGPT model, so much so that it's actually scoring in the 90th percentile for some of the hardest exams in the world. And because of that, its ability to solve complex exam-type questions is now better than ever. By understanding the context of the question, GPT-4 can provide detailed explanations, step-by-step solutions, and even recommend additional resources to help you learn better. So, goodbye to late-night study sessions and hello to better grades. Now, I'm not telling you to use GPT-4 to go and do your homework for you. Instead, I want you to understand that you can use this as a learning tool to help you break down and understand the problems that you're working on to get to the correct solution. I honestly wish I had this when I was studying for my engineering exams, as it would have saved me hours of flipping through textbooks trying to find the correct solution to a problem. Now, if you're an aspiring game developer or just love the idea of making your own games, you're gonna love this one. GPT-4 can actually help you create entire games with complete code bases in Python, and it just works. I've tried doing this with ChatGPT before, and there always seems to be some sort of error or bug that you have to ask it to go back and correct after it's already given it to you. But now with GPT-4, you can just give it your idea and all the features you want, and it'll just give you the entire codebase for your game, no questions asked. GPT-4 can provide all of the necessary code for you. I made a replica of the original Snake game with some added tweaks and features, and GPT-4 gave me everything I needed and I had the game running in under 5 minutes. This can save you countless hours of programming and give you a solid foundation to build upon for the games that you want to make. And even if you don't have much of an interest in coding, this allows you to make some of the ideas that are in your head actual real games. No questions asked. Now, we all know that meal prepping for the week can be an absolute pain, but using GPT-4 and the new vision model that's coming out can make it an absolute breeze. Now imagine just taking a picture of what's inside your fridge, telling GPT-4 what kind of meals you want, and it just giving you all of the recipes and ingredients that you're missing. And if you don't know what you want on a daily basis like me, just ask GPT-4 for some nutritional meal suggestions. Easy as cake. Lastly, as so many people have already seen with ChatGPT, GPT-4 can be your personal YouTube scriptwriter and AI assistant. But now, GPT-4 is so much more creative with the ideas that it gives you, it's going to take your content to the next level. If you're struggling to come up with new and engaging content, GPT-4 can provide creative video ideas and scripts that are actually custom tailored to your channel's theme. Just input some information about your channel and let GPT-4 do the rest. So there you have it, 5 amazing ways that GPT-4 can be used for just about anything. This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to unlocking the potential of this incredible new AI technology. And using one little secret that I apply to all 5 of these use cases will really let you unlock GPT-4's full potential. And that is scalability. Now, if you want to find out exactly what scalability is and how you can use it to custom tailor GPT-4 to literally anything, I'll be talking more about it in this video up here. So make sure to check it out and I'll see you there.